Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve the problem that you are unable to view your Instagram notifications on your iPhone. You need to open Instagram in order to see, and those notifications are not being shown on the notification section of your iPhone. So let's begin the video. So here I have my iPhone. First of all, I'm going to open Instagram and I'm going to show you some solutions that you can try. Here you can see that I have a message, but on the notification section there is no message shown. So here in the message section you can see that I have received 3 messages, but they are not shown on my iPhone notification. So the first thing that you can do is that you're going, in the lower right you have your person icon. You're going to press on it. Here it will show your profile. You need to press on the 3 lines on the top right side. Here you need to go to settings. Here you need to go to notification settings, which is the third one. You're going to press on it, and here it says push notification pause all. If it is enabled like this, you need to make sure that you disable it. So the first thing that you need to make sure that this button is disabled. Then you can go to the second option, which says pause stories and comments. You're going to press on it, and here it's going to tell you which notification you want to see. So here I have set it to everyone, etc, etc. If you want to disable any particular type of notification, like if someone liked your video and you don't want to get notified for it, you can press the off button. But other than that, you can enable all of them if you want to get each and every notification you receive on Instagram. So same is for your following and followers as well. If this doesn't solve your problem, the second thing that you can do is open settings of your iPhone. You need to go down onto the notification section. Here you need to find Instagram. So basically it's in an alphabetical order, meaning that apps with the name starting with A will come first, B, C, D. So Instagram should be just below H in the I section. So you can see iTunes Store is present, but Instagram is not present. So if this is the case, then what you need to do is you need to uninstall Instagram and reinstall again, which is the problem with mine, because in the notification section it isn't showing Instagram. So what you're going to do is that we're just simply going to uninstall Instagram, longing press on it, remove app. We're going to press on delete app. So again delete. So Instagram has been successfully removed. We're going to again open the app store, and we're going to reinstall Instagram so that the notification settings are shown on our iPhone. We're going to go to search and we're going to type Instagram. It will show up automatically. So here is the one, Instagram. So we're going to press on this re-download button. So now it's going to re-download Instagram on our phone. So I'm just going to wait until the download is completed. So here Instagram has successfully been downloaded, as you can see. So we're going to open the Instagram app again, and we're going to re-log in into our account. So here you can see a pop-up message saying Instagram would like to send you notifications, and we're going to press on allow from here. So now here if we go again back to our settings, notifications, and here we're going to see Instagram as well. So here it is, Instagram. You can see we got all our notifications. So in this way guys, you can resolve the problem of Instagram not showing notifications on your iPhone. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.